Alright, today's a good day to record this. I have an awesome product. Actually, three different products that I want to share with you guys, show with you guys. And these are a question asked by you guys in the past videos. So I want to address it. They're right there, simple and easy. Let's go check it out. Let's see what they're all about. Hey guys, it's Going Keisha. Making more videos again. Today we have 3 unboxings, and 2 of the products are something that you guys have been asking me for a long time now in terms of vlogging in general and starting on YouTube. And the other product is definitely something you guys will want to see. It's dealing with LEDs. So without further ado, you guys already know it. Let's get to it. Alright, so hopefully my camera doesn't fall off the vehicle, but let's go check it out. Before I actually get started with the LEDs, I want to show you 2 different things that I got in the mail. A lot of people since my, live stream videos have asked me to try to do some vlogging of my daily life and stuff like that. And I don't know, I might see what is up. I might try to do it, I don't know. But definitely I didn't want to carry my huge DSLR everywhere, kind of like Casey Neistat does. He carries that DSLR everywhere. I don't think I want to do that, you know what I mean? I'd rather get something small like this, but still like something with this. This is one of those gimbal steady tripod things where basically you can shake it around and stuff. It has a motorized motor in here, and it can still keep the camera steady and not like shaky and stuff like that while you're walking around with a camera. And this is the actual camera itself. So here are 2 different things. I wanted to check it out. I think you guys might be interested as well, for the people that have been asking me about starting your own YouTube channel and also being vloggers and stuff like that. It's not too expensive. The links are in the description below. This is the camera, this is the actual gimbal. So check it out, look at the review, see how they work. I'm just gonna unbox it real quick, put it on top of each other, and see how it actually works. Look at that profile, it's really tiny. Look at the packaging too as well, really nice. It smells like manufacturing. I want something small like this, that can shoot high quality video. This can shoot like 4K. The literature and everything else is gonna be in the box itself. Let me open this other guy right here. Oh, whoa. Look how thick that box is. Put this down. Literature. Gonna read that in a second. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. Comes with a little charging thing, because this does have a battery in here, obviously, because to get this camera steady, you obviously need a battery of some sort in here to make sure the motor is working well and keeping the camera, right at the right angle and stuff, so it never like has a shaky feel to it. Oh man, this is really smooth too though. So now that I've actually plugged the camera onto the actual gimbal, this is awesome. Look at this. It just stays steady to where you want it to go. It just stays very steady to where you want it to be. So basically, like if I want to have the camera right here, there we go. I'm gonna definitely be playing around with a lot more. Entire construction, it's complete metal. And look at this thing, it's so cool. It just stays steady no matter what movement. Look at that, how fast I'm doing, but the camera still stays flat. It's so cool. It's like weird too. It's like it stays completely straight. And the links are gonna be in the description below, guys. Go check it out, look at the reviews, look at the specifications. All the detailed specs are gonna be in the description below for this bad boy. I'm absolutely loving this thing already, and cannot wait to start using this thing. It might be some vlogs in the future, you never know. Like I said, links in the description below. This thing is looking awesome. So now let's get to the actual LED lights for your vehicle. Let's get to it. Okay, I played with the camera way longer than I need to be. It's because my first time having one of those cameras. Definitely awesome. I'm gonna be checking out more. But nevertheless, what we're here for, I have the product right here. A lot of people on my last video with these kind of LED interior lighting for your vehicle that are plug and play, obviously. You guys already know me. I love doing plug and play things. As long as it looks good. It still has to have a little bit of a good look to it. Anything that's plug and play can be hardwired into your vehicle, okay? I get that question asked a lot as well. I don't like it plug and play. I want it kind of hardwired. Yeah, sure, you can definitely do that. It's just wires. Plug and play system that things like this have just makes it a lot easier, so you can just plug it into your, in your toolboard, car charging port, USB port, etc., etc. Just makes things easier. However, if you want to make it hardwire, aka not plug and play, you can easily do that. Just cut the wire off and plug it into a 12-volt power source, 5-volt power source, whatever it requires. Make sure you know what voltage you require when you do all those kind of things. Make sure you use a multimeter and stuff. I can definitely do that. I like plug and play things. I know a lot of people on this channel do as well. Let's unbox this bad boy. So here's the actual box right here. Light up your car, and it definitely does. A lot of people on my last videos on when I do these kind of lightings didn't like the fact that it doesn't come with the actual, wireless remote controller. Well, problem solved, because this actually does. Okay, so here's the actual literature right here. I mean, it's really simple. You just plug it in and play it. Here's the actual, ooh, man. I'm looking at these 50-50. They look like 50-50 LED chips. But yeah, these look like the bigger chips, and they look like they're going to be lighting up your car. Oh, that says light up your car, but still, nothing else in the box itself. Comes in a simple box like this and a little baggie. Let's put that down. Now here's the actual product itself. It comes with 4 light strips to put 1 in your passenger, 1 in your driver, and 2 in your rear of your vehicle, okay? You put this underneath the seat and the light will nicely bounce off, giving you some nice, lovely ambient lighting. It is really, really cool, I gotta say. Many car companies do this now, you know, having LEDs in their vehicle for ambient lighting. Nice little lighting. When you have guests in your vehicle, if you have lighting in your car, it just makes it so much better. Have some music. It just makes the experience better for your visitors, for your guests in your vehicle. You know, you treat your guests nice when you come home. You gotta treat your guests really nice when they're in your car. That's how I see it. So it comes with 3 different things. Obviously, here are the strips. The number 2 thing is the actual plug and play power adapter. You just plug this straight into your vehicle. Car charging port. It comes with the actual button right here to turn it off and on. This is like a, you know, master power switch basically. And then also another cool factor is it comes with this bad boy right here, actual remote to basically turn it on, turn it off. This button right here changes the color, and this last button changes the mode and also brightness. I know these things can get extremely bright. I had questions and comments in my other videos about these things getting super duper bright. They look beautiful when they're bright, but sometimes you want that brightness toned down a little, you know what I mean? So this one does have that. Now the best part about this one, the reason why I got this one is because it connects with your phone wirelessly, okay? So this is not just some simple thing. It has a Bluetooth function on this bad boy. You download the app on your cell phone and you are golden. You can use this thing via Bluetooth. So what I'm gonna do now, for the sake of the video, to show you how it looks, how beautiful these things are, I'm gonna install it into my vehicle very crudely, you know, just getting the idea of how it looks, and show you how beautiful, and have it running and have your car a beautiful oasis when people come in. So without further ado, let's get into my vehicle. Let's check it out. Alrighty, let's get into my vehicle. Alrighty guys, I'm in my vehicle right here, and first thing first, before you ever do any kind of modification, you want to make sure if the product even works in the first place, okay? So I have all 4 LED strips right here, as you can see, ready to go in place, plugged it into a car charging port, have the remote right here, and let's just, you know, power it on for the first time and see how they look. Oh my, are you kidding me? I had to turn this camera around because these are the absolute brightest car LEDs I have seen, guys. I was going online and I saw these had good reviews and I was wondering why, and now I freaking know. These things are really, really bright. Like if you were here, like I'm squinting my eyes a little bit. That's how bright they are, guys. It's a seriously good thing that these things actually have a brightness button on there because they are extremely bright. I am absolutely loving them so far, guys. Oh my gosh, I had to turn the camera around for this. Look at this. Let me just change the color. Look. Oh my god. Before I even show you the LEDs, look at the color in the vehicle, guys. It looks like a Mercedes, you know, the S-Class, they have those ambient lighting. Looks absolutely beautiful and amazing. Look at this thing. Oh my, look at this thing, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm so sorry I keep looking at the actual screen because you guys know when I look at the screen, it's because whatever is actually in the background or what I'm doing, it looks beautiful, and that looks beautiful. You just change the color before I actually look at, oh, look at that. Such a beautiful color. I love this magenta too. Let's look at the actual LEDs before I get carried away. But yeah, like I said, make sure that it works. As you can see, the power button is working well. Okay, make sure the power button works. Make sure the color button is working. As you can see, you can change different colors. And make sure that the last one, which is a mode changing button right here, this button basically changes from music mode to just to color mode. So if I want a music mode right here, let me get to it. There we go. We have music mode on right now, and you can see if I stop talking, it stops. And then last but not least, this also is a brightness button, so you hold it and it changes the brightness, as you can see. Now this is all fine and dandy. I like this remote, but I want to see if the wireless function actually works. And here's the actual app, and you can see it connect. Oh, look at that. Look how fast it connects to it. It automatically connects to it, and then you can change the brightness. I'm going to turn it down all the way. Look at that. And I'm going to bring the brightness up all the way. There we go. Look how quick it is. It's not laggy or anything. I'm gonna turn the brightness down because it's extremely freaking bright. So here it is on dim mode, and it's actually really dim right now. So I'm gonna change the colors. As you can see, blue, green, yellow, and the app is so flawless too, as you can see, guys. I'm really liking this app as well. Looking beautiful, guys. I am loving this. And then you can turn it off and turn it on here as well, as you can see on the app. So everything is looking flawless. Now all you have to do is basically install it. Okay, so now that we've checked out everything, now it's time for the installation part. Now installing this LED strip is extremely easy because of the fact that it comes with all the accessories and double-sided tape that you require to install this. So making an installation on these guys is very simple. As you can see, 3M tape on the back, you just peel it off, stick it, and you're done. No need to screw things in, any of that jazz. It's simple. It's very simple. Alrighty, guys, I'm at my car right now. It's kind of dark in here, and let's open the door. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful it looks. I've done this rudely, okay? I've not actually installed it fully. You know, I just want to show you how beautiful and bright these lights are. Look how bright they are. They're really bright. I got some on the other side as well, just to show you how they would look in your vehicle, okay? I wouldn't have it at this brightness level. This is like some insanely high brightness level. You can see it looks like that. You know, it's the brightest they have. I wouldn't have it at the brightest level that they have, but I would go a little bit dimmer when I actually put this in here. Okay, looks pretty stylish, I gotta say. So what I'm gonna do is actually connect it to my phone right here, as you can see. I'm gonna change the colors. Look at that. Look how smooth the color changing is. So quick. I'm gonna go to white, blue, aqua, whatever you want to call it. Let's go to orange. Let's go to red. People love red. Look at that. I love magenta for some reason, and I love aqua. It just looks very clean in here. Absolutely beautiful, guys. When you have this on with some music, it will create an awesome mood, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving them. Later on, I might also make a dedicated install video on this bad boy, even though the installation is really simple. Like I say, you just peel it off and you stick it onto your vehicle and you're done, and hide the wires. It really is that simple. And you can always hide wires anywhere in your vehicle between this trim and stuff like that. Wires can go anywhere, you know what I mean? Most of my hiding wires, I don't even use any tools. I just use my fingers and push the wires between trim and stuff like that. You see how I can push my finger in there? The wire will fit in there. Hiding wires is really simple. I get that question asked a lot, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I'm like I said, my reaction was a true reaction because I was seriously surprised how bright these things are, and I am loving them, and I know you will love it. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase them and look at specifications and details are gonna be in the description section of the video below, as well as the vlogging camera that I got with the gimbal will be in the description section of this video, so make sure you go check it out. And when I say description section, it's gonna be in the description of the video, not in the comment section, in the description of the video. Make sure you hit show more and you can find it. If you have any other detailed questions that you want the fastest answer from me, make sure you direct message me on Facebook and or Instagram. Those are my fastest method of me getting back to you for any product, any question, whatever you need. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popped right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, KLEANTRIX here saying thanks for watching and peace.